Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulihi nabiyil kareem. Amma ba'd. My dear brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I welcome you all the beginners to this Tajweed-ul-Quran, another session. Today we are going to learn about Makharij-ul-Huruf, which is very important topic in Tajweed-ul-Quran course. Makharij is the plural, its singular is makharaj, the place of articulation. How we utter a single letter. This is called makharaj. Actually, there are 5 points, 5 places in our mouth where we utter a letter of huruf tahajji or alphabets. 5 places. Number 1, al-jawf, the empty space of mouth. Al-jawf, the interior from the chest area towards our lips. All this area called empty space of mouth. Al-jawf. Number 2, al-halaq. Al-halaq, this line. Al-halaq, throat, area of throat, the long area. Number 3, al-lisan, tongue, the whole tongue. Middle size, middle and upper, right, left and tip of the tongue. Al-lisan, several letters uttered through the movement of the tongue. Al-lisan. Number 3, ash-shafatayn, lips, upper and lower. Number 4, al-khayshum, the nasal passage. Nasal has a greater role in producing some letters. Later on we shall discuss in detail. Number 1, al-jawf. Al-jawf produce 3 huruf, 3 letters among all the alphabets. 3 letters from al-jawf are called maddiya, huruf-madda or maddiya. To better understand the makharij of these letters, it is essential that we see the shape of the tongue and lips. This is illustrated in the following diagram. See on your screen. Ja, ja, and waw and alif. These 3 letters from the empty space of mouth are called huruf-maddiya. Huruf-maddiya. Important to learn is that huruf-maddiya shall be called when there is another letter before alif, before ya or before waw. It shall help this letter to prolong the voice. For example, if we place ba in front of alif, then it would be ba alif ba. So this alif called maddiya. Or we say ba wapesh bu, then this waw called ba waw maddiya. Or we say ba yazir bi, so this ya called maddiya. So independent alif, independent waw, independent ya are not called maddiya. These have separate rules and separate makharaj. Later on we shall discuss. Here huruf-maddiya from the empty space of mouth, always when they help to prolong the voice letter before it. Nonetheless, it carries mamma, fatha or kasra. It helps to prolong the voice, that is called these huruf-madda or maddiya. Second makharaj is al-halq, halqiyya. Huruf, the letters emerge from this are called huruf-halqiyya. 6 letters in total. Hamza ha, deep throat. Hamza, hamza ha, hamza, deep throat. Hamza ha. And from the middle, ayn ha, ayn ha. Ayn from the middle. If you could press bit of, then ayn ha, ha, ayn ha. Then upper side, which is called adna halq. Ghain, 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 kha, ghain, kha, ghain, kha. Hamza, ha, hamza, ha. Map is on screen. You can see the whole halq and throat, and then next is upper throat, ghain kha, then middle throat, ayn ha, ayn ha. Follow me at least 10 times in each single letter, then you would be able to accurately recite it or read it. Ayn ha, ha. You know, when we recite Alhamdu Alhamdu. Other side of the tajweed, people say Alhamdu, Alhamdu. This is lahni jali. Haram. Alhamdu, Alhamdu, Hamdu, Hamdu, Ain. Na'budu, not Na'budu, Na'budu, no. Na'budu, Na'budu, Ain. From the middle throat, mid of throat. Wasti halq. Ain ha. And ghain kha, upper throat. Hamza ha, from the lower throat. So these are the 6 letters. 6 letters are called Huruf halqiyya. Huruf halqiyya. So the next is the third makhraj. This is ash-shafatain. Shafat means lips. There are 2 lipses. There are 4 letters who are called Huruf shafawiyya. The both lips involved in producing these letters between the 2 lips. See in your screen, there is map for that. When you press the 2 lips together and release them, produces a letter ba, ba, ba. You press upper and lower lips, ba, ba. Hit both, ba, 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 ba. Hit and release, ba, ba, ba. This is not B, remember, of Urdu. This is ba, ba. Hit both and release the air. Ba, ba. Follow me. Ba. Then next is when you press the 2 lips together and passing a gunna through the nasal, passing produces the letters me, me, me. Both lips are touching to each other, and then you are clearing the voice and air, passing the air completely, me, but keeping the voice into nasal. Meme, 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 meme. So lips are involved in ba and meme. Next is wow, wow. See on your screen. Opening the lips slightly, and forming on a O shape. O shape produces the consonant wow, 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 wow. O shape. So both lips are involved in that, but in round shape. So this help us to produce wow. Follow me. Ba, meme, wow. Ba, meme, wow. Ba, meme, wow. The 4th letter is fa. Also comes from the lips. When you press the tips of the top front teeth against the bottom lip and exhale through the mouth, this will produce letter fa, 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 fa. Top front of the teeth hitting the bottom lip. It would be easy for you to produce fa, fa, ba, meme, wow, fa. So these are the letters which are called Shafawiyya letter. So today we discuss 3 Makharij